Welcome to the Weekly Iron for Friday, February 20th. Let's dig into our first story. Kioti introduces Connect 2.0, their updated telematics app. Users can access a lot of product information for Kioti's full lineup. They can use a build and price tool for instant MSRP estimates and tap into the new Intelligent Assistant, which translates technical machine data and alerts into clear, actionable guidance. Connect 2.0 is available now on the Apple App Store and Google Play. Next up, big news for the compact equipment world. Kubota Engine America just extended its standard engine warranty to 3 years or 3,000 hours. That's an additional 1 year and 1,000 hours over previous coverage. Be sure to check out the article for diesel engine maintenance tips. These small daily habits can prevent big, expensive repairs down the road. Last up, Volvo Construction Equipment has introduced the new ECR255 Compact Radius Excavator, replacing the ECR255E. It delivers more lifting capacity, a tighter tail swing, and smarter digging technology. Check out the full article for more, including specs, or see it in person at ConExpo. Join us next Friday for a full week in review as we count down the final days to ConExpo. Thanks, have a great weekend.